Hello dear students, I welcome all of you in channel Time to Cram. Today I am going to teach you one of the theorems of chapter number 6 in easy way. It will help you in upcoming board examination. This is the area theorem and the easy and very shortcut method how to prove this theorem. Theorem 6.6. Theorem 6.6 is what? Okay, the ratio of the areas two similar triangles is always equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So this is the statement of the theorem, students. Okay, the ratio of area means we have two similar triangles. If we take the ratio of area of these two similar triangles, then the the value of this ratio we are getting here any square of any corresponding side here. So now data is what? Okay, triangle ABC similar triangle PQ. To prove what we have to prove, okay, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ bracket over square is equal to BC upon QR bracket over square is equal to AC upon PR bracket over square. Now proof. So proof we will take in another slide. Proof. So first of all we draw the diagram triangle ABC triangle PQ. First of all we will make the perpendicular here. Suppose it is AM and here QN. So this we will write in a proof. Okay, let us draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR, which we have constructed. Now using this we can take the area of this triangle. We have to prove the ratio of the areas, so we write area of ABC upon area of PQR. We know that area of ABC we have altitude already, so we can take the altitude formula, half base BC and altitude AM divide by half in triangle PQR base QR altitude is PN, half of cut. So we will be getting the result BC upon QR multiply AM upon PN. This is our first result. We will give the number result number 1. So look students, this is a very important result here. Here we have to replace AM upon PN by BC, either BC upon QR or AB upon PQ. So we have to convert them in any same ratio. So either we have to convert in BC upon QR or we have to convert both in AB upon PQ. So for that, now let us use our data. What is our data here? Okay, now after that, now triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, it is given. So using it we can make the ratios, corresponding ratios. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. This is the result number 2. So look, in place of BC upon QR we will keep here in result number 1 AB upon PQ, and in place of AM upon PN we will try to bring here also AB upon PQ. So for that now we have to prove these two right angle similar. So for that let us try to prove them similar triangle. So in triangles AMB and P and Q. P and Q. So angle B equal to angle Q, it is given because triangle ABC is a similar triangle PQR, so they are the equal angles. So we can take this one. So therefore angle B equal to angle Q, it is given. Angle AMB, angle AMB equal to angle PNQ because both are each 90. Each 90. So both triangle AMB and triangle PNQ are similar triangle by AA criteria. So therefore triangle AMB similar triangle PNQ. So here we will write by AA. So using them again we can make the ratio because we have two similar triangles, so we can make the ratio of them. So AM upon PN is equal to MB upon NQ is equal to AB upon PQ. Look student, here MB upon NQ we don't have any need here, so we are removing here because we need AM upon PN equal to AB upon PQ. So we are uh, continuing only them. AM upon PN is equal to AB upon PQ. This is our result number 3. So 3 important result we have obtained. Again let us review all the 3 result. First one, what we have obtained, the ratio of both the ratio of area of both the triangle in terms of BC upon QR multiplied by AM upon PN. In second result, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. And third result, third is a very important result because AM upon PN we have converted in terms of AB upon PQ. So therefore using all the 3 results, using 1, 2 and 3, we can write area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to, in place of BC upon QR we can write AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, and in place of AM upon PN using result number 3 again we can write AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ bracket over square. So look into proof, we have proved square of 1 ratio. Similarly, taking right side triangle we can prove the other ratio, and using first one and second one proof we can prove third ratio. In this way we can prove all the ratio, all the square of ratio equal. So here we can write similarly we can prove all. Therefore area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ bracket over square is equal to BC upon QR bracket over square is equal to AC upon PR bracket over square. So let us make the here bifurcation. So in this way we can prove, and these are the all the steps we can easily remember them, and without mugging up we can easily write the theorem by ourselves. So learn it, remember it and write in an exam. And students, you will be getting the notes of this video in a description box.
Notes are uploaded on the bloggers page of Time to Cram. So visit the bloggers page to download the notes, and the link of the bloggers is given in the description box. So check the description box, get the link and download the notes. And if you find this video helpful and informative, then like it and do share it with your friends and classmates. And yet you had not subscribed to our channel Time to Cram, then subscribe it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. so that you will get latest notification and update when new video is uploaded. That's all for today's video lecture. Thank you.